Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to present to you Papua New Guinea's Homework Generator. So this app has been proudly sponsored by Alfidata Analytics, PNG's trusted data analytics partner. You can contact us at the email address that's showing here or visit our website at alfidata.tech. Okay, so we provide everything data analytics. And I'm happy to say that we proudly sponsor this PNG Homework Generator. So the purpose of this app is to help parents generate mathematics homework exercises for grade 9 students. The questions here are based on, or this exercise here are based on Papua New Guinea's official curriculum. Okay, so the app is very simple. So how it works, the parents will arrive on this landing page and then they will click on generate homework now. So either from this main button here or from the main menu on the top. Okay, they will choose their difficulty level and then the app will generate 10 unique questions. Okay, and they're also able to download and print the homework sheet. Okay, so the main features of this app include it's based on PNG's grade 9 mathematics syllabus. Okay, it's the questions that are generated or the exercises that are generated are all AI generated based on the content of the syllabus. Okay, and of course, other parents can export the exercises and it's free to use. There's no login required. Okay, so the curriculum covers 4 main strands, or the content of the exercises cover 4 main strands that are in the grade 9 mathematics curriculum. So that's number, operation and computation, patterns and algebra, geometry, measurement and transformation, and statistics and probability. Okay, so this is the main page. So when the parents arrive here, they can click on generate homework now or from the main menu on the top. So let's just click on this main button here. And that takes them to the generator homework or generator homework page. Okay, so in this main page here, the first thing to do is to select the difficulty level. Say, for example, I select easy. And then I will select a topic from the list of the 4 strands here. Okay, so I select this down arrow here to expand all the topics. And all these topics are found in the syllabus. Okay. So, and I select the first topic, for example, and that's to use and represent factors, multiples, primes, composite in various forms and situations. Okay, so they select the topic, they scroll down and they click on generate 10 questions. Okay, now the app is going to generate 10 questions based on the selected topic. Okay, so they've got a list of questions here. If the student is unsure of how to calculate or come up with the answer, they can always click on the hint, but the hint button here, sorry. So the app will give them more, some hints about how to calculate to come up with the answer. Okay, so we've got a list of 10 questions here. And then the parents can also download the PDF or the questions in PDF format. Okay, for example, on the top right-hand corner, they've got a list. They can download all the questions and sort of work on it on their own time. Okay, or the parents can also download the answer key. Okay, so this PDF contains the questions and the answers and the solutions to the questions, and also a step-by-step sort of guide on how to answer the question. Okay, so we've got a working and a step-by-step solution here, or step-by-step method on how to answer the question. So these are the main functionalities. For now, we will not be tracking the progress of the student. This is the very first version of the app. So I encourage you all to share this app with those whom you know who have their children are in grade 9, so they can check it out themselves. It's completely free. Okay, so this one is not to replace their studies from them going to school. It's just there for additional homework exercises that parents want to give to their kids. Okay, so it's there to sort of just to have additional homework exercises for the kids. Well, yeah, so this app is proudly sponsored by Alfidata Analytics, and we provide everything data analytics services. So you can visit our website here for more information on the services that we provide. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you share this information with your friends, your family who need to have access to this information. And please contact me if you have any questions by the email that's showing on the top banner here. Contact me if you have any questions regarding the app or any improvements to make. Please reach out. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a blessed Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2026.